15 Needle Embroidery Machine Threading Tutorial. First, let's get familiar with the machine. Each thread pinned on the creel corresponds to a specific needle number, labeled 1 through 15 as indicated above. These numbers correspond to the needle numbers on the top thread tension assembly. Step 1. Place the threaded spool onto the spool pin. Pull out the thread end. Thread it through the top thread guide hole. Continue threading it through this hole. Pull the thread end through. Step 2. Place the thread from the side into the tension disc assembly. Seat it into the inner slot. Step 3. Take the threaded tube corresponding to the needle number. Use the provided wire threader to insert through the tube. Pull it out from the top end. Hook the thread end you just passed through. Pull it back through the tube. Then snap the threaded tube into its holder. Hold the thread with your right hand. Gently press and lift the lever on the left. Place the thread into the guide. Hang the thread on the spool pin. Then, pass the thread through the center of the tension disc assembly. There is a pin below the tension assembly. Loop the thread around it. Bring the thread down and place it into the hook of the thread guide. Wrap the thread around the thread guide. Pulley 1.5 times, coming back up. Hang it on the side of a pinch post. Bring the thread around to here. Again, hold the thread with your right hand. Gently press and lift the lever on the left. Place the thread into the guide. Come down and thread through here. Crucially, ensure the thread passes inside this spring. Pull it through and come up. Thread through the hole on the take-up lever. Come down and thread through this hole. Continue threading down through the hole, corresponding to the specific needle number. Then, thread it through the eye of the needle. You can press down to get the thread ended more easily. Place the excess thread tail into the thread cutter spring. The threading is now complete. Finally, install the threads in sequence. Needle numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on up to 15.